Hey guys, welcome to WAPTech. So in this video, I'll just solve last year questions based on syntax errors, and this generally come for 2 marks. So yes, so I have this is 2016 question paper, and the question here is this. Okay, so just see the question. Okay, now I have also the answers here. Now see, the first thing we'll just go line by line. Okay, so this is a pre-processor directive. Okay, this is good, this is fine. Has define is a good key, it's a keyword, and this is used perfectly. Now here this is also used perfectly, but here this is a mistake here, because you cannot use an equal to sign in this preprocessor directive, right? So you just remove this sign and just write it here. Okay, so this is given in here, sorry. So here you can see this all is same, but here this equal to sign is removed. Okay, so that's it. And the one more thing, there will not be semicolon here, because this is not a statement, this is a preprocessor directive. We don't use semicolon in the hash include file also. Okay, so there is no semicolon hash include, same way there is no semicolon hash define, right? Also next line is perfect, this is fine, this is very much fine, this is very much fine, this is all good. You can use void, you can use int, you can use whatever you want. Basically void is good. So but if you use int, then you have to just add here a statement, it will be return 0. Okay, so it's good, you have not used it. Okay, the next is this line, and here you can see there is a mistake, and that is a semicolon used here. There is no need of semicolon. Semicolon is used at the end of the line, end of the statement. Okay, so what will come here, you'll just a comma will come and you will remove this. Okay, you see this. So they have removed the semicolon and there is comma. Okay, and there is semicolon at the end, which is undisturbed. Okay, for the next line we see here that here we have z, and z is not defined earlier. Okay, therefore before using any variable you have to define it. Therefore you have to define z. So how can we define it? Either we can write here z by removing this semicolon, writing comma here and writing z and then semicolon, or else we can just write float here and we can declare it here. Okay, so this, there is a float written here and everything is same. Okay, going for the next line, we have cout is equal to this and this, and see here this is a string, and we know strings are always in double quotes, and this is single quote, and single quotes of a character, but this is a string, therefore we have to use double quotes here. So yeah, you can see here double quotes are used, and everything is perfect. Z is also declared here, and that's it. So this is the first question of last year. Okay, sorry. Okay, so okay, so we have 2015 question. So in this question, this is a question, and yeah, we have the answer here also. Okay, now in the first line itself, it is hash defined, but we know that keywords are always in small case, therefore this will be small, and see this is a small used here, so this is the answer, and this small. So you have to just you have to check word character by character. Okay, next one is there is no need of use of declaring the data type here, there is no need of writing that data type here. Okay, so there is never ever use data type in pre-processor directive. Okay, so just remove this, everything seems fine, but this is good, but here again the same type, there will not be any equal to sign in pre-processor directive, therefore just remove this. Also no semicolon, therefore remove this also. Okay, this is not a statement, this is a pre-processor directive. These are all statements, but this is not a statement, right? So remove this and remove this, you're good to go. Okay, so see this, there's a space also. Okay, next one is void main. This is all clear, so this is nothing, you can write a void int whatever you want. This is just use void, never use int. If you have not used, return 0. Okay, the next line int my speed, okay, it's good, it's a it is following all the identifier rules, this is good, but here is no semicolon, so you have to add a semicolon here, because statements ends with a semicolon. Okay, okay, the next one is character alter alt whatever that is, alert, and okay, Okay, this is good. C in my speed. Okay, this is right. C in my speed. Okay. Now the next one is if, but there are no brackets here. So to use brackets here, because if always, this is a condition and it is always using brackets, not curly braces. They are simple braces, right? Brackets. So I'll just see here. You have these two brackets. Okay, just write that. Then alert is equal to y. Alert is a character. Yes. Okay. See out. Now here. Now this is not a right perfect keyword. Okay. See this. This is ENDL, not end line. Okay. So you just use ENDL, and yeah, everything is fine. Okay. So this was 2015. Now let us go to 2014. This is question here. This is the question, full question. I don't have the solution here right now. But I'll just tell you what are the mistakes here. So what you can do is just go line by line again. A type def, okay, this is right, everything is small, okay. This is character, and what is this? This is wrong. The size of the character is always used next to the variable name, right? So this will come. You just have to remove this. You have to just paste it here. Okay. Okay. So this will be something like. I'll just show you in just a minute. Yeah. Then you write str. Then you will write this thing. And then semicolon, right? So this will come after the variable name. Okay, this, okay, now it's good. Okay. Okay, so the next line is pretty much good. Okay, in the next line, this is wrong because this should be string. It should be used before. This is also not complete, right? So I'll just show you how it will be. It will be something like this: string txt, and this is it. So there, just you have to use the whole thing here, and before the variable name, right? Next one is gets, and this looks perfect. Everything is fine here. This a bit auto capitalization. Okay. Okay, so the next one is cout text 0. Okay. Okay, so this here. The second one is not used here. So I'll just write it here. Okay, so this is good. This is right. Okay. Okay, so the next line is anything wrong here. Okay, this should be ENDL, right? So yes. Yeah, so it is it. So this is the right code. Okay, so that's it. This is the perfect code. Okay, so now we have one more question that is from 2011, and in this, okay, so I have the answers. Good. Okay, the first line, let's see the first line. What is wrong here? As include. Yeah, this should not be coming here. There you'll use greater than, less than sign. Okay. Next one is type def character text. Okay. Now here, see this. This should not be coming here. There will be, yes, these types of brackets, right? Next line void main, this looks good. Now text t is equal to Indian, this is also good, everything is fine. Because see, we have defined here character as text. Okay, so wherever you use text, it means character. Okay, next one is int count str. Okay, now here we have used strlen function to include, we have to include, yes, standard h header file, right? So we will include it here. Next thing is cout st. Okay, this looks fine. This, okay, this, see, this is a string, so it will come in double quotes. Okay, next thing count. Okay, okay, now this is a string, it will come in double quotes, you can see it here. And yes, that's it. So you'll get 2 marks for each question and half of mark for each error. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, you can comment below. And yeah, all the best for your exams.